friends, my name is Chef Weber Bhargav and I'm the corporate chef at Mic Drop Restaurant in Delhi. I've been cooking in this industry for more than 18 years and today I'm very glad that I'm participating in the Quality New Zealand Culinary Cup, which is a virtual chef competition 2020 organized by the Quality New Zealand. Quality New Zealand is a niche company from New Zealand who has entered into a finest quality of lambs, meats, seafood and dairy products. And today I'm gonna make a very interesting dish and an easy simple recipe with this beautiful pure South New Zealand, which is a farm fresh to you, and it's a lamb hen shank. They can be traceable from farm to fork. They are grass fed, so the quality of lamb is very good. They are sustainable and they are gluten free. And the health benefits like vitamins, proteins, zincs are provided with this ingredient. And best packaging is available. It comes all frozen, so the quality is best. Quality New Zealand is proudly to be associated with Richard Headley, who is a patron for this product. My today's dish is Asian style braised lamb shanks cooked with honey sesame chili glaze, and it has three components. First, it has a corn puree. Second, it has a barley vegetables, and third, a slow braised lamb shank. A quick snapshot of all the ingredients which I am going to use in my recipes for the braising, for the barley vegetables and for the corn puree. You can see this is the king oyster mushrooms. Let's start with the first step where we have to sear this beautiful lamb shank. So I'm gonna put little bit oil in a pan so that we get a nice golden color, and then we're gonna braise it with other spices. But first I'm gonna sear it nicely from all the sides, and it has no fat, so I'm gonna put very gently. Now you can see how beautifully it is seared from all the sides, all these two. This is now ready to go in our stock. So now let's prepare the stock. Okay, I have taken it out from the kadai. I'm gonna put onions. I'm gonna put ginger. I'm gonna put some garlic. It's an Asian broth, so very important. We have to think. We need to saute them little. They're gonna cook for another 2 to 3 hours in this nice broth which we are making, this lamb shank. And you can pressure cooker it also. You can put it in the oven also. So I'm gonna add more ingredients. My carrot. These all will give a very nice aroma and flavor to the lamb. Some radish, chili, fresh chili, very important ingredient. Some dried red chili, just break it. This will be our sauce also. This will be the base for our sauce also. Once the liquid is cooked, it will be a very nice. We're gonna make a paste and use it as a some peppercorn, some big cardamom. And very important ingredient, star anise. Again, a very nice flavoring ingredient. And then small cardamom, cinnamon stick, bay leaf. Here I'm gonna add a little bit of brown sugar, some orange slices. Because this sauce at the end, our sauce is all about honey, orange, sesame, chili glaze. I'm gonna put a vegetable stock which I have made here. You can see I'm gonna put it there. And some orange juice. I'm gonna add this beautiful New Zealand lamb shanks. And this gonna cook for next 2.5 hours in this slow blazing liquid. You can keep adding liquid if it is required. Now the last ingredient, our king oyster mushrooms and our seasoning of little bit of salt, and I'm going to use a little soya sauce. Let's make our second component, which is a corn puree. So little garlic, a little shallot, a little bit stirring. By the time it is sauteing, you can see that how beautifully this is bubbling. So it will take at least 2 hours. I'm gonna add a ball of corn and butter and milk. Okay, let's start making the barley vegetables. This is, I just show you, this is a raw barley. I have soaked them for at least overnight, and then I boiled it and it looks like this. So 1 teaspoon oil here, very less butter. Add a little garlic, a little bit of ginger, because our lamb shank जो है it's gonna be a braising. It has a lot of flavor, so I want to keep other flavors very mild. I don't want to make it very strong. Start adding all our hard vegetables first. I'm gonna add carrot. These are now a little zucchini. Nice colorful vegetables. You can add whatever you like. A little bit of stir here. So okay, now here I'm gonna add some beans, some onions, some peas. What is very basic vegetables. Imported vegetables in this quarantine period is not available, so all the 3 color peppers, green, yellow, red, till chili. Now time to add our barley. Here it is. I'm gonna add that little water here so that all the vegetables are cooked. Very little, not too much. Let's make the sauce, honey chili paste और chilies, हल्का सा सौते. हमारे लैम्ब शैंक जो कुक हो चुके हैं उसके अंदर इसका ये जो चिली ग्लेज बना रहे हैं इसके अंदर इसको टॉस करेंगे. ऑरेंज जूस डालेंगे, थोड़ा सा हमारा चिली फ्लेक्स, बहुत ज़्यादा स्पाइसी नहीं. हमारी सॉस का जो जिस ब्रॉथ में हमने पकाया है वो बहुत ही बढ़िया बना है. देखिए ये इसका लिक्विड है जो हमने उस ब्रॉथ को स्ट्रेन कर लिया है जिसमें हमने इसको स्ट्यू किया था, इसको ब्रेस किया था. I'm gonna put little bit of this because all the flavors, nutrients, vitamins, minerals सब इसी में है, तो थोड़ा सा हम ये इसमें डालेंगे. Sesame seeds, sesame oil, honey. तो एक बढ़िया सी कोटिंग देगा इसके ऊपर. हनी आ गया, चिली आ गया, सेसमी आ गया, ऑरेंज जूस आ गया. दिस इज द मेजर इंग्रेडिएंट्स एंड यू सी this how beautifully color to give it a little thickness, very little. That's it. This beautifully cooked lamb shanks here. चलिए देखिए क्या बढ़िया हो गया है. इसको करीब 2.5 से 3 घंटे हो गए हैं ब्रेजिंग में. ये देखिए शिताके हमारा जो किंग ऑयस्टर मशरूम था ये भी कितने बढ़िया से ग्लेज हो गया है. एक थिक कंसिस्टेंसी जैसी सॉस आ गई है, इसको यूज़ करेंगे. मटन भी किस तरीके से देखिए अपने बोन से फॉल ऑफ हो रहा है. तो ये लैम्ब शैंक बिल्कुल पक चुका है. टाइम है हमारी प्लेटिंग का. चलिए देखिए ये प्लेटिंग हो रही है हमारी. मैं दूंगा थोड़ी सी हमारी नूडल्स की गार्निश, जो कि राइस नूडल्स. इसको मैंने क्रिस्पी कर दिया है. देखिए दिस इज आवर फाइनल प्लेटिंग ऑफ लैम्ब शैंक्स, एशियन स्टाइल braised lamb shanks tossed in honey, soya, sesame, orange chili glaze, topped with glass noodles and barley vegetables along with some corn puree.